Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to set up basic SEO for your Shopify Apple Store. With a few quick changes, you'll attract more customers and improve your Google rankings. Step 1. Homepage optimization. Go to Online Store, Preferences, and update your meta title and description. Title: Buy fresh apples, organic and juicy. Description: Shop fresh organic apples for snacking, baking, or juicing. Fast delivery guaranteed. Step 2. Product page SEO. For your product pages, write clear, keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Product title: Sweet red apples, farm fresh. Description: Crisp, naturally sweet red apples, perfect for snacks, desserts, or juicing. Fast delivery to your doorstep. Repeat this for each product, highlighting key features like freshness, variety, or organic quality. Step 3. Image optimization. Rename image files and add alt text to improve SEO. File name: organicredapples.jpg. Alt text: a basket of fresh organic red apples. Title: Fresh apples for sale. Bonus tip: use ChatGPT to quickly create SEO-friendly titles and descriptions for all your products. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you next time.